In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change preferred payment method on Venmo. Quick guide. Let's get started by opening the Venmo app and signing in. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're logged into the correct account, since your preference will apply to this profile. If you recently updated the app, the layout may look slightly different, but the steps are the same. From the home screen, tap Me. This is the profile tab, usually at the bottom right, and it shows your username, balance, and recent activity. We're heading here because all your account controls live behind this tab. Next, tap Settings. You'll typically find this as a small gear icon in the upper right corner of your profile. The Settings menu is where you manage privacy, notifications, and importantly, how you pay. Now choose Payment Methods. This screen lists everything you can pay with in Venmo, your Venmo balance if available, linked bank accounts, and any debit or credit cards. It also shows whether a method is active and ready to use. Keep in mind that cards can incur a small fee for certain transactions, while bank accounts and Venmo balance usually don't for person-to-person payments. Your preferred choice here sets the default for future payments, but you can still change it on the send screen anytime. Find the payment method you want to prioritize and tap the small arrow or chevron next to it. That opens the details for that specific card or bank. If you don't see the arrow, tapping the row itself achieves the same thing in some versions of the app. Inside those details, look for the option to set as preferred payment method. Toggle it on or select the option so that it becomes your default. Venmo may show a check mark, star, or a preferred label once it's set. There's no separate save button. Your choice is applied immediately. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these steps and select a different method. A quick note for clarity, your preferred method sets the default for outgoing payments, but you'll always see the option to switch methods on the payment screen before you send money. Also, some merchant or purchase protected payments may follow specific rules that could override your preference, and your Venmo balance will be used first if applicable. That's it. You've updated your preferred payment method. If something doesn't look right, just revisit Me. Go to Settings, open Payment Methods, and confirm the label on the method you set. Thanks for watching and happy sending.